Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing of the fifth book from the Siege of Terra series of books from Black Library or Games Workshop. So this is an ongoing series of books depicting the battle in the Horus Heresy timeline in the Warhammer 40,000 game lore, and this one is a really nice and big one. So like all previous books, has a nice protected design with this cardboard, and we have a book wrapped in this black paper. Beautifully bound in this leather. So let me show it to you. All of the books, not just the main books but also the novellas, have the same design, so gilded edges and these 3D, so almost like I would say brass or some kind of metal embossed logo put inside the leather. The book 5, Mortis by John French. If you like to stop and read. Okay, so let's open the book up. So we have a nice cover art. So this will be on the standard edition of the book, so on the series of books that will be released. So this is the collector's edition. They're all signed and numbered. Here's once again the cover art in color. So this is the depiction of a, if I'm not mistaken, this is the Emperor class Titan and the defenders of the Imperial Palace. This is one of the Horus's Titans right there. Okay, so here are all the books in the series. So we have 54 books, previous books, and some novellas, and also audio dramas. And then we will have 3 more books, so 3 more main books, and I don't know how many additional novellas, maybe also 3, so maybe in total 6 books after this series ends. Okay, so we are probably looking something maybe a year and a half of releasing schedule. And like all books, we are getting this nice fold over map or depiction. I hope you can see it. So this is the Mercury Exultant kill zone, like Voss right here. I hope it is in picture. So Shard Bastion over here. The previous one has a map of the solar system and also a depiction of the palace. Okay, so here are the main protagonists. And the book 5 is in a later progression of the Siege of Terra, so just keep in mind that we are coming to the closure. Here are some pictures of the protagonists. And part 1, the warp. So let us see, do we have some more pictures inside here? And the middle part, there should be something. Okay. Okay, so here is Ferris Menace, Fulgrim, and let's see what is the total page count here. So we are getting 557 pages in total. Wow. So really nice, beautiful, thick book. Once again, excellent quality by the library. So this was the book 5 from the Siege of Terra series of books called Mortis by John French. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes also unboxings of Warhammer stuff and other stuff regarding my hobbies. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.